You know, anyone who knows me knows that I'm an absolute sucker for gadgets, and one of the favourite things that I fitted to the Ranger this year is this bad boy. This is the Uniden IGo 80 dash cam. Now this thing, believe it or not, shoots in 4K. The quality is absolutely amazing. So I've got this in the front of the Ranger. We've actually been using some of the footage from this in the show. That's how good the quality is. It's got a few outputs on it as well, so you can access the footage really easily. There's a mini HDMI, there's a micro USB, and it even takes an external SD card or a micro SD card, which makes it easy to take that footage out and back it up to your computer if you want to. There's a whole bunch of other really user-friendly features as well. You can set it up to start recording. As soon as you take off, it'll sense the movement and start recording. That way you're not wasting space. You can set it up to record in a loop, that's every 4, 10 minutes, whatever you like. Now the reason that I'm using dash cam is so we can capture that footage. This is going the whole time, all day long. So if we happen to capture something that's very, very cool and we don't have the GoPros running on the outside of the car, we can go back to this and grab that footage. Works an absolute treat. It's also saved my butt a couple of times. I've got to be honest, with the red light camera thing that's in there, it'll give me an alert when there's a red light camera or a speed camera coming up. So who's going to use something like this? I reckon anyone that's a four-wheel driver like me that loves to get out there and into the bush and wants to record their adventures. You know, it's great for the safety aspect day to day on the street. Fantastic stuff for Facebook and Insta and all that sort of gear as well. That's what I use it for.